Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD, PhD. Today is Wednesday, February 24th, 2021. It is 2:29 and 13 seconds a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research is on beta blockers. So let's hop to it here. Beta blockers can repair malformed blood vessels in the brain. Date February 23rd, 2021. Source Uppsala University. Summary. Propranolol, a drug that is efficacious against infantile hemangiola, strawberry naivety, resembling birthmarks, can also be used to treat cerebral cavernous malformations, a condition characterized by misshapen blood vessels in the brain and elsewhere. Up to now, there's been no drug treatment for these patients, so the research results may become hugely important for them. Cerebral cavernous malformations, CCMs, also called cavernous angiomas, or cavernomas, are vascular lesions on blood vessels in the brain and elsewhere, caused by genetic changes that may be hereditary or arise spontaneously. Today, an operation to remove these lesions is the only possible treatment. However, surgical interventions in the brain are highly risky, since the vascular malformations, moreover, reoccur in hereditary form of the condition. A drug treatment for CCMs is urgently required instead. The uses of propranolol, a beta blocker, include treating cardiovascular diseases and conditions, such as high blood pressure, but it can also be used to treat hemangiola, strawberry niveus, a common blood vessel malformation in children. There are some indications that the preparation might work against CCMs as well. The researchers have been investigating how propranolol affects the emergence of vascular lesions in the form of CCMs. Researchers examined mice with vascular malformations in the brain, cavernomas or CCMs, as they are called, that corresponded to the hereditary form of the condition in humans. The mice were given propranolol in their drinking water, and researchers were able to see that the cavernomas were becoming fewer and smaller. The blood vessels functioned better too, with less leaking and improved contacts between their cells. The propranolol dose administered to the animals was equivalent to the dose used to treat diseases in humans. Using an electron microscope, the researchers were able to study in detail how the drug affected the cavernomas. The results show that propranolol can be used to shrink and stabilize vascular lesions. It may be a potential medicine for treating CCMs. What makes the study especially interesting is that right now, in Italy, a clinical study is underway in which CCM patients are to get 2 years treatment with propranolol. During this period, they are being monitored by means of magnetic resonance imaging of the blood vessels to see how the malformations are developing. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD, PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. Well, hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.